Hi guys, welcome to Success YouTube channel. Please subscribe. I usually fail to give you the links of my videos, so please subscribe so that YouTube can recommend these videos for you. Right, today we're going to work on some SQL statements to select data, to delete. They are a bit complicated, but they are very easy and so interesting to work with. Right, so here is the question, which is saying write an SQL statement to compute the average price of products which belong to the beverages category. So where are we coming from? Let me go to our navigate so that we open our database and view what we are talking about. I've shown you how to I showed you how to create this database using some SQL queries. I've showed you how to insert data. So this is the database that we are having, but it's identical to this one with all these tables, and the data is in here. These tables, they do not have any data, so we are going to use this test database to test our SQL queries. All right, so before we get into this one, let's start with some theoretical practical workings of the SQL queries. What is in the background? What is it that we want to do with the SQL query, and how best can we generate an SQL query easily? Right, so let's get back to the slide, run it from there. Right, so let me get back for a moment. So what's the question? What is the question? The question is saying, alright, write an SQL statement to compute the average price of products which belong to the beverages category. Write an SQL statement to compute the average price of products which belong to the beverages category. Right, so let's see the products that we have. Right, we have water. In this water, these waters, they are having product IDs 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, these are product IDs. We want to see the category of these products. Right, so 4 to what I'm forgetting, 4 to 8. So 4 to 8 product IDs. These are waters. Let's just check product category, T category, beverages. They do have category ID 1. So let's go and check category ID 1. All these 4 to 8. So 4 to 8 products with product ID 4 to 8, they belong to beverages. So let's go and check which products. 4 to 8, this, that, and that. So these are the 4 products that are having what that belong to the beverages category. Right. Let me close that and let's get back to this one, where we are going to talk about. Right, so that's the question. Write an SQL statement to compute the average price of products which belong to the beverages category. Right, so what you need to know is this simple method. this simple method. We are saying what is it that we want to compute is the average price of what? Of products, and products belong to which table? T products, right? So T product is the table that is having what we want, right? So this is the table. And how do we know that this product belongs to category beverages, right? And this is the category that we want. So these two things are the key terms that we need. These are the key columns that we need, and these are the intersectional columns that we need. These are the here it's Mr. Let me correct here. So in T category, product category, we have what? Category ID. We must save category ID here. So category ID is what is linking this product and that one. And here we are having T product category, and here product T product. So here we must have product ID. Product ID, right? So that's how these tables are linked, right? So let me move that one. Here, right? Let's start item now. So we are having these tables: T product category, T category, right? And they are linked using these columns. Category ID. So category ID is in this table, in that one. And this one we don't need anything in there, but we only want what links this table with that one and links that table to that one. So here is what we want to do now. We want to select, right, an SQL statement. Yes, to do what? To compute the average. So this is the function to calculate the average. Average what? Price. So what is the price? The selling price. That's correct. So why do we choose the selling price instead of the unit price in the sales table? We don't use the sales table because a single product can be bought several times. So we will repeat to have the same price, and it will be used several times instead of once, right? So you say select the average, select this column. That's why we are having that. From where? From T product, right? From T product, but it's having an inner join. This is the inner join that we are talking about, the connection between this table and that one. So this inner join, I don't know what's going on with my, this one should have what's this one, which myself this, and then I will save the same, right? And these two must last for you, right? So let me look. It's this one which is saved and right. I want you to see what's happening here. So right, so you cannot see what is happening. So this is this intersection. So that's the inner join. We are saying what is it that is common in that table, and what is common is the product ID. Same applies on the category T category table. We want to inner join that. So what are we joining? We are joining T product, which is the one that we said from. So we are joining it to what? To T product category on what? On this condition where we are having product ID of this table being identical to the product ID of this table. So on T product, this is the T product ID, that's the column or the field or the attribute, then sorry, which is equal to T product category table, which is this one, column product ID, which is that one. So we now know that this product is having a category ID of something, but we don't know whether that product ID or that product is in beverages category. So we now want to check whether this product with this product ID belongs to beverages category. So we now say we inner join again the result of this with what is common from that result to T category table. So inner join T category, which is that one, on this category ID where T category, which is this one, dot category ID, which is the one which is common, is identical to T product category, that one, dot category ID. We now know that this product with this product ID belongs to a certain product category, and this product category is also common to the category with where we are having T category dot category name like beverages, or where T category dot category name is equal to beverages. So that's how we get it. So let's go and run the query. Let's go and run the query. Here's the query. Some dates, no dates on here. Or let's just copy that one. Let's just copy this query. That's not it. On that one, and then let's go and press it here and check. Right, that's the average, but where are we getting this? Let's calculate the average manually. Let's open our calculator here. Alright, let's put our calculator there. Let me minimize the calculator so we can check whether the average that we're getting is correct. Alright, you go to tables. No, that's not it. We want this one, product, right? And these are the prices, and you want the prices of beverage products. Is that correct? Yes, the average price of products which belong to the beverages category, right? So the average, so we have observed that these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products are the ones that belong to beverage category. So what's the price? 15.5 plus 13.5 plus 1.5 plus 14.5 plus 15.5. we get that, and we divide that by 5, get one result. Where are we getting this? I think we've made a mistake. Let's say 15.5 plus 13.5 plus 1.5 plus 14.5, we get 45. We divide that by 5, we get that. Where are we missing it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. What else belongs to beverages? Nothing else, right? So let's try to calculate using a formula. It's giving us 12.1. Where is it getting from? Okay, let's do the math. Let's redo the math here. It's 15.5 plus 13.5 plus 1.5 plus 14.5 plus 15.5, we get 6.5 divided by 5, we get that. So that's the average that we are supposed to get. So let's get back and run our query here, run it. So that's the query that we get that one. So that's the average mark that we are supposed to get, right? Thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share, you give comments. If you are having a different way of doing this, just share as a comment below, so that we get assistance from you. Some of you may come up with easier ways of doing this if this is complicated. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day.